nothing is more important than their fear, which is their passion, their commitment for public service and helping others.
Humanitarian group Oxfam.
He sort of parked a moving vehicle, and as soon as I saw the vehicle, I thought, God, I think it's like a moving country vehicle. And I was sort of,
oh, far out, mate.
Across, and we were looking at it.
Dude.
Oh, you're a fucking idiot.
Just straight through this one. I knew that guy was going to do that. Oh, I didn't know he was going to do that though.
You're a fucking idiot.
Quite young.
Yeah, she's quite young.
Well done, fuckhead.
Yeah, just rolled through that fucking red light.
Well, there's just a pantry full of food. Carol, who we all know and love, from the Roses Cafe. And
Manual. Stops. It doesn't matter what we're doing.
Yeah. Oh.
Right through a red light.
Right through a red light.
Manual recording.
Joy.
For the drive home.
The Wilcox Show.
You are driving too close to the car in front of you. Please increase your distance.
O nga, dapat TBM kunin natin. Yung nakita natin. Ano pong bangga eh? Alam mo na nga tumuloy pa rin eh.
Hindi siya dapat dinurekit, hindi siya dapat. What's up? Fuck idiot!
What the directions? Have you using NavMet?
Fucking dead.
Out.
The fuck?
Turn that quick.
Look at this dickhead. What a dickhead.
And the media are often kind of thrown into
insurance salesmen and used car salesmen and lawyers, we're not particularly liked overly. The journalists who have covered these fires have done the most incredible job.
Excuse me, madam. Fuck me. How about fuck you?
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a total idiot.
That's strong, that's prominent.
What an asshole.
But I don't know what I don't really.
I practiced using the bus lane.
Even though we have in our program, I stayed away from that because of my relationship with his dad. Right. I didn't want to.
The taxi's allowed to. The prick in the BMW's just decided, fuck it, I don't want to line up in this traffic. Another idiot. EHD41. Another clown lane filtering against parked cars. As I think everyone knows by now, no, you cannot do that. You don't know where the fuck are they going? This guy, you fucking idiot. Fucking moron. Are you fucking retarded? Let's see what's going on here. Idiots pull out there. I got a bald prick who's a P-plater. You can guess how long he's had a fucking license. Got an ambulance stuck here and I got a woman jaywalking. Like, through the fucking 8 lanes of traffic. Oh, fuck me. overtaking lane. Move, dickhead. Fuck off. Get the fuck out of the way. You're an idiot. Get out of the overtaking lane, you moron. Get the fuck out of there. For fuck's sake. Are you fucking stupid?
In range now.